After decades buried in mud and rust, a Black Hawk helicopter is finally found.
Some machines don't just fly, they carry untold stories.
Introduced in 1978, the UH-60 defined its era with speed and diverse missions. Yet,
the structural integrity is severely compromised right here.
We need to stabilize the forward section before the lift. The mud displacement is significant.
Keep that tension steady on the harnesses. We're clear on the port side.
Copy that. Slow movements only. Watch the rotor connection point.
Completely seized. Hit it hard with the penetrating oil.
Already on it. Let's give it 10 minutes to soak in before we try the impact wrench.
Take it up slow. Easy now. Watch the intake. Clear on the left. Holding steady on the right. This pitting is deeper than anticipated in Zone 3. We need to prep this entire section.
Agreed. I'll update the schematic. We'll start the bracing sequence tomorrow.
Structural reliability check complete. Shock absorbers rebuilt.
Hydraulic lines replaced. Initiating functional test.
Main power engaged. How are the readouts?
Stable, commanding low idle rotation.
Flaps look good. How's the landing gear?
Gear is solid. The restoration looks complete on this side.
Excellent. Let's move forward.